The best shower tower panels are simple showers upgraded to another level. Lately, they are becoming increasingly popular. They give you the peak of the luxury bathing experience, like the one you will get in a hotel, spa, or in any resort. They bring your regular shower to the next level. Whether you prefer minimalistic, feature-loaded, or extravagant ones, we've got you covered everything. We have compiled a list of shower panel systems that you can consider if you.
Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, Happybuy 5-in-1 Shower Panel. Available in 6 variations, the Happybuy 5-in-1 shower panel is made of 304 stainless steel with a thick panel. The brass connectors, valves, and explosion-proof hoses make it resistant to high temperature and leakage-proof. It has a fingerprint-proof surface that is easy to clean. There are 5 modes on this shower panel system, and the nozzles are made of rubber that make them non-clogging and maintenance-free. The handheld shower head can be used for pet washing and room cleaning. There are 2 knobs, one to switch between hot and cold water, and the other to adjust shower modes. This shower system has reinforced pipes in the back, standard plumbing connections. Number 2. Vigo VG08014MB Orchid Shower Panel. The retrofit matte black shower panel allows easy installation. This shower panel features hydrotherapy using 2 body-targeted massaging jets to relieve the tensions and stresses of the day. The flow rate of the water outlets is 1.8 gallons per minute. This shower panel system is easy to install, and you can easily incorporate it into your existing bathroom setup. Made from SUS 304 stainless steel, this shower panel has 7 layers of premium matte black finish to prevent rust, tarnish, and corrosion. It is lightweight and durable. Number 3. Rovate Rainfall Shower Panel System. Rovate shower panel has a modern brushed surface that looks great no matter how you decorate your bathroom. It features 4-function handheld shower, 4 adjustable massage jets, a tub spout, and an LCD temperature display. Made from 304 stainless steel, brass mixing valves, and reinforced backpipes, this shower panel is corrosion-resistant, durable, and requires little to no maintenance. The overhead shower head is adjustable to different angles and emits a gentle rain-like spray. It comes with the standard plumbing components and an. Number 4. Menatt Shower Panel. Menatt shower panel features a stainless steel frame and brushed surface treatment. This shower panel has 5 modes, a brass valve control system, and an LCD temperature display. The stainless steel build makes it resistant to rust, and brass valves are resistant to leakage. With 4 body jets, the massage feature on this shower panel can hit the right spots. The handheld shower head also features a stunning cross-type water outlet you can use to wash pets.